If you ever see this man in the sea, run immediately. But why? You might think it's just a regular big muscle guy, right? Well, here's the catch. It's not what it seems, but if you agree, this little penguin is cute. Like and subscribe. This dog is really suffering. He's in pain. But no one helps him because they find disgusting. But if you are the good person, leave a sad emoji and heart in the comments, then 1,000,000 angels will pray for your family. Share this video so the dog can be saved, and now maybe you're so excited to see this real life Hulk, but truth, it's just an edit and not real.